Today we're making a Detroit / drill type of beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. Although it's not from scratch because we're using the Melody app, you feel me? Before we dive into the video, let me just get a few words out of there about the Melody app. Don't click away yet, it's worth it. So the Melody app is created by Corbett. He's known for his work for Hit Boy, but Corbett wanted to provide high quality loops quickly, so he created this app that just like on Tinder, you can swipe left or right if you like or don't like the melody, which is insane to me. We'll take a look at it and cook up a super fire beat from scratch. It's like a Detroit drill-ish type beat, like I said. So let's get it. So right here you got filters as well, and you got vibes. So I think I want to go for maybe some like dark stuff and weird, and we can maybe go for some synthy stuff as well. And instruments, I kind of in the mood for some keys, bells. Let's put guitar and synth in there as well, and then view results, and then it will just like filter out the melodies. So let's just take a listen to these melodies. Whew. Whew. I like that one, bruh. Swipe right. What is this? Not feeling that one. It give me like some Don Toliver vibes. Whew. That's hard. That's too busy. Whew. What's this? We might need to use that one. That's hard. I think we got some melodies right here. So go to save melodies. Here are all the melodies that you swipe right. I think this one was a crazy one. Ooh, oh my days. Nah, bruh. We need to send that one over. So super easy. It just send it over to your email. Boom. With this app, you can literally create any type of beat you want because it has everything for you. You can just like filter it out, and then it just like gives you melody on the go, on demand. I'm definitely using this app more, bro. This is going to be so fire, bro. I got an idea with this one. So add some drums to this. You see where we're going? Just wait, just wait. Shit. I got ta-da. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Yeah. Wait. And double right here. Right here, I want to reverse the 808. That's hard. Shit. All right, let's pitch it down. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Yeah, that's hard. See, we're just building off of one melody. Let's add some chords to this to just give it like some extra atmosphere, some extra texture. that bounce is dirty. We're just filling up the gaps right now. I like that the beat is just like super chill. There's a lot of room. Let's take a different kick. Yeah. Cut some eyes out of it. Shit. Switch it up. I think we need to pitch it back up just to give it like some more energy. Right here, I want to render it out and add some chorus on the second part. That way there's some variation in it. So magic switch, really simple. It gives like a different feel to the beat. So let's just do like this. I want this to be the hook. So first without the kick, and the kick comes in. Yo. Right here, let's add a drum loop. Alright, let's play from the beginning. And we made it all using the Melody app. Make sure to check out the link in the description and go download it, test it out for yourself. I've been having some fun with this. It's just like a really fun and easy to use app. Hey, yeah. That's hard. Shit. Yeah. 2 for 2. I've been telling this for 2. Yeah. Let's tell the thing. That's hard, bro. Damn, I need to catch a breath from this. This tutorial showed you how to make super fire beats all from scratch inside of FL Studio using the Melody app. Make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description. Super fire app in my opinion. Easy to use, super fun. If you feel like you're out of inspiration, if you enjoyed it, if you learned from this, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Also, let me know what you want to see next on the channel. You feel me? Then I can give you guys the best content as possible. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Peace.